Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, your go-to spot for real estate updates and strategies that impact home buyers, sellers, investors in the Canadian real estate market. We also talk high level about North America. Today we're diving into some massive changes coming to the Canadian real estate market. We'll be talking about recent mortgage reforms, the Bank of Canada's latest interest rate moves, and what it all means for your next property decisions. Whether you're looking to buy, sell, or just stay informed, you'll want to stick around to the end because there'll be some big news that could change your game plan. Let's get into it. All right, let's start with the Bank of Canada's recent rate cuts. They dropped the policy interest rate to 4.5% with expectations that we could see even further reductions, bringing it down to 2.75 by the end of 2025. What does that mean for you? Well, if you've been on the sidelines, now might be the time to jump back in. Lower rates can mean increased affordability for buyers, potentially more competition in the marketplace as more people regain confidence to make their move. But the interest rates aren't the only thing that's changed. Some major mortgage reforms were just announced, and they're set to take effect in December of this year. Number one, the insurance mortgage cap has been raised to $1.5 million. Before, to qualify for an insured mortgage, your home had to cost less than $1 million. But with the new changes, that cap has been increased to $1.5 million. This means buyers in high-end cost markets like Toronto, Vancouver, even places like London can now access mortgages with lower down payments, making it easier for people to enter the market even as prices rise. The government has announced one of the boldest mortgage reforms in decades to unlock home ownership. Number two is there was a 30-year amortization period option. First-time buyers and anybody purchasing newly built homes will now have the option for a 30-year amortization. This will reduce the monthly payments and make homeownership more affordable, especially in pricier cities, although you'll be paying more in interest over the length of the mortgage. Number three, the stress test relief. Another big one. The stress test that used to apply when switching lenders at renewal has been scrapped for insured mortgages. This is going to open up more options for homeowners to shop around for the best rates when it comes to the time to renew, without the worry of requalifying. Increased competition among lenders could mean better deals for borrowers like you, so make sure you have a great mortgage agent. If you don't have one, let me know. We have incredible partners. So what does this all mean for Canadian housing market? With more people able to qualify for mortgages and more flexibility in how you repay them, we could see a surge in both buying and selling activity in the coming months. However, it's important to keep an eye on how prices react, especially in high demand markets. Inventory levels are still fluctuating. In some pockets we are seeing so much inventory, in others it's going very quickly. Given we're currently in a buyer's market, I can see us switching quickly over to a balanced market in very due time. Now let's bring this closer to home with a quick snapshot of what's happening in some of our local markets. In Sarnia, there's currently 48 active listings with an average price of $523,644 with a median of $440. London, a much larger market with 1,558 active listings. Average sales price is $665,229, median at $615. St. Thomas has 180 active listings, average price of $563,363. Gives you an idea of what you can buy in southwestern Ontario, Canada. If you're coming from a larger market, definitely connect with us. Some luxury homes that would be $2 million plus are very affordable in a growing market like London. Halcyon Homes is a great example with the new project launch we just did in Lambeth, and they have exceptionally built homes that are magazine worthy. Make sure to stick around on this channel because we are going to drop an amazing vlog and house tour of one of their products that we just did. These are solid indicators that while prices are cooling in some areas, others are still very competitive. So what does this all mean for you? Whether you're a buyer, seller, or investor, now is a great time to get strategic, and the best way to stay ahead is by following us for more updates. If you're looking for the latest listings, market reports, or access to some incredible events like our Prime Mastermind series, our investor reports, or you'd like to get our insider email list, make sure to subscribe to the channel, let us know in the comments, or hit the links. You'll get priority access to properties and information that could change your life.